Hi there, I'm Alex from WTI. I'm wearing an insanely comfortable dress right now. It's the black flower KOJOOIN dress. My favorite part about this dress are the sleeves. I don't normally like to accentuate my arms, which is why I love these sleeves because they have a little bit of a ruffle to them and they don't draw a lot of attention to an area that I'd like to not draw attention to. The material is nice and light. It's perfect for those hot days. The dress does come with a belt, but I prefer to wear without it. It's a great length. I'm 5'7" and it goes right to my ankle. I would say that the fit is true to size, so I would order whatever size you normally would wear. I also love that this dress is super low maintenance. It washes up so easily in the washer, and I hung it to dry, and there's no ironing involved. That's a major bonus. I like this dress also because you can dress it up, or you can have a more casual look with it, with some white sneakers and a jean jacket like I paired with. This dress from KOJOOIN is lovely. It's a must-have for the summer, and that's my point of view.